Yes. So I can show Sweetie Pie that this room is awesome and it's easier in taking pictures. Oh, we got upgraded. That's room number 1, aka Desiree's room. This is room number 2.
I just want the bathroom.
I know, she loves the bathroom. She loves the shower. Washing machine. Bedroom. Closet. With the robe. Oh, TV. TV. Bed. Bathroom. TV from bed. Yum. Fucking yum. View. How does this work? Oh, yeah, view. Hollywood Walk of Fame. You can see the stars across the street. And Capitol Records. Ooh, go America. Okay, so artwork. Very nice. Love this fan. Lights. Bathroom. Shower. Loads of towels. Look at that. The Rainmaker. The Pleasure Seeker. Oh, golden. Let's turn all these lights off. This couch is nice. It is. Avian. Naive backwards. Room 2. Bathroom. The Rainmaker. That works. Oh, Cute Lazarus. Love this song. Bathroom. That is the room. Of course. TV from the bed. Yum. What's this view? Oh, I didn't even do the balcony. We'll do the balcony. I forgot to do the balcony.
Get that balcony. I know.
Oh, stumble. This is our fucking balcony. Crazy town. Oh, Hollywood. Lexington Social House. So, babe, this is the awesome fucking hotel we rented. Very excited. I have no idea where that door leads to. Records.